Hi, my name is Art with AM Solutions, your foundation repair specialist. This video will help you understand the pier installation process of a typical foundation repair job. First, we mark the locations where each pier will be installed. Once all pier locations have been marked, we are ready for step 2. Step 2 involves excavating an area large enough to accommodate the technician who will be installing the piers. Here you see initial excavation complete and ready for pier installation. In step 3, we hydraulically drive precast concrete pilings vertically underneath the slab. This process will continue until enough pressure is built up to raise and stabilize the foundation. We are now ready for step 4. Manual hydraulic jacks are placed on top of each pier and the raising and leveling process begins. Once the raising and leveling is complete, the jacks will be removed and home is then supported by the piers. Here's a completed pier. Now we are left with the final step, which includes backfill and cleanup.